Do you ever lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, wishing you could just fall asleep? You're not alone, and today we're going to fix that. Welcome to this episode where we'll share simple but powerful tips to help you sleep better, starting tonight. Tip number 1, sleep in complete darkness. Here's something most people overlook: light. Even small lights from gadgets or street lamps can mess with your body's melatonin production. Turn off all lights or use blackout curtains to help your brain know it's time to rest. Tip number 2, avoid screens before bed. Scrolling through your phone might feel relaxing, but it's actually keeping you awake. Blue light tricks your brain into staying alert. Try unplugging at least 30 minutes before bed and switch to reading or journaling instead. Tip number 3, don't eat right before sleeping. Late night snacks might be comforting, but they could be the reason you're tossing and turning. Give yourself at least 2 hours after eating before lying down. This helps with digestion and reduces the chance of nightmares or discomfort. Tip number 4, skip caffeine and sugar in the evening. That afternoon coffee might still be working, even at midnight. Caffeine and sugar can keep your brain alert. Choose calming drinks like warm milk or herbal tea instead. Tip number 5, build a sleep routine. Your body loves rhythm, especially when it comes to sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body develop a natural sleep rhythm. Try these tips tonight, and you might just wake up feeling like a whole new person.